Hello guys, today I will show you something different for using some of my techniques, which is available for everyone. Either you do day trading or you do swing trading. So what's this idea is on how to double or triple your daily profits without buying more shares. Okay, so for example, I will just give you an example. This is done mostly with ETFs. Okay, I'm not speaking about penny stocks and the stocks that go very fast. No, I'm not speaking about that. I'm speaking about ETFs, which is exchange traded funds. Now what do you do is for example, you have an index, then you have an ETF that tracks this index. Okay, and these ETFs, we have other ETFs that double or triple the profits of the day. Okay, let's go to the diagram. I will just explain you the idea and then we can continue. Okay, so let's go to this diagram here and I will speak to you. Now for example, we have here an index. Okay, so an index, and then the index, we have what we call the ETF that tracks the index. Okay, so this ETF, what does it do? It tracks. It means it shows what does it do. And this ETF, it is like a stock. It means you can buy it long, you can sell it short, you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, now so in this ETF, for example, the index, just an example, this index goes, let's say, $1 according to the percentage. Okay, I'm just giving an example. Let's say this ETF has $1 as profit. Okay, as profit for 100 shares bought. So bear with me please in order to explain this idea. Okay, now this is this ETF. Okay, the first ETF, number one. Now there are other ETFs, number two, that you can multiply by 2. Now here you can get $2 profit for the same 100 shares, but it is different. Okay, it's not the same ETF, it's another ETF. So instead of getting here $100 as a profit, because it is $1, 100 shares, now here how much you get? You get 200. Okay, now 3x, which is number 3, $3. It means this $1 that the index has or this ETF has turns to be $3 profit for the same 100 shares. So how much you get? You get $300. And this is a solution for those people who want to make more money without having too much money in their account. Okay, but understand that there is a risk, because this is you magnify the profits. Okay, and there are a lot of indexes, ETFs like this in the market. So if you want to know about all this, either you can check training level 18, or you go to golden subscription or silver subscription in my website. You subscribe or you do silver. Okay, and you will get all this information into details. Now if you want to use my chart that I am using, you will find hundreds of ETFs. Okay, you just take some kind of ETFs and look at them and see which of them gives you the 2x you double profits of the day, or it gives you the 3x, which is 3 times a day of the profit. Understand that in these days, stocks are going $3, $4, $5 a day, up or down, mostly down. Let's say if you have a stock that goes $5 down, you can here you have $500, here you can have $1,000, and here you can have $1,500 in one day. Okay, although your money is just little, you don't have that much money, you don't have big money, but you can do that. Okay, so this is one of these kinds of things that you should know. There are a lot of people that like the risk, like to risk more, and there is a lot of ETFs like this available in the market. You just search. Now, if you don't want to search that much, you can go to my training, or you can go to subscription, because I will search for you guys and I will put all the information there, and I will show you, like in golden subscription or silver subscription. I made a video where I made 3 X's. It means 3x, 3 times the profit of the day. And I will show you it's not a big deal. You just have to know how to trade, and you use these ETFs and you can make money. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and see you tomorrow.